Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. But summarizing today's action, just with some charting and trading terminology, this was a total gap and trap. What do I mean by that if maybe you're new? On Tuesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened right there. So hence the gap, and to be more specific, a gap up. And then after the market opened up, the price actually showed some signs of strength, came up here, some poor souls bought around here, and then from there, it was all bears the rest of the day. And not only did it go back to where it was to close the gap right there, it just kept on falling and falling. Now, the price, to give some credit's due, did bounce off a very important level of support, which brings about the first annotation that needs to be added. And that is this area of support right here at, let's see, what is that? The 83 cent mark. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see 83 cents acted as support right there, acted as support a couple of times right there, and then again, you fast forward to right there, and that's right where the price bounced off of. So moral of the story going forward, 83 cents, definitely a very important level of support, because if the price were to go down there and then break through that level, at that point, the price would be entering into areas that have not been seen for a very long time, and it would essentially be putting the price right back inside of this channel where it already was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true power are going to make progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they were, and that quote-unquote back to where it was represented again by that 83 cent mark. Now, in the event this little miniature bounce here continues on up, where are some of these areas of resistance at? Initial level of resistance to keep a close eye on, right there at that level at 95 cents, and then if 95 cents can be broken, next key level right up there at $1.03. So 95 cents, $1.03, two key areas if there is any sort of attempted bounce. But yeah, overall, rough day with the gap and trap, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.